Hi everyone, it's Genene. Do you use sun salutations as a warm-up, or do you find you need to warm up before you want to do those sun salutations? Let me know in the comments below. Today, though, is all about Virabhadrasana I, or Warrior One pose. Like Warrior Two, the front knee is bent about 90 degrees and the back leg is straight, but the hips point more forward than Warrior Two, but not square for most people. That's challenging. So let's dive into 4 modifications you can do, and we'll put it all together in Sun Salutation B series. Let's begin on all fours. And then step your right foot right between your hands. Firm your legs. And then when you're ready, either hands to your thigh first or reach your arms straight up to the sky. Anjaneyasana. And then choose for yourself how far you're going to go today. You might grab a chair in front of you for balance. Otherwise, just tuck your back toes under and lift your back knee off the ground for a high lunge here. Breathing deep here. And then exhale, hands to the floor. Really use your core to keep yourself stable. Now turn your left foot so that your left heel comes down to the floor so the toes are still pointing forward to keep the hips squaring towards the front. They're not going to literally square, but right knee stays bent. So this is like Warrior One, but hands are on the ground here so that you don't have to worry about balance. So draw those lower legs in towards each other and then take that back inner thigh and take it back. Then lift it away from your mat. Lengthen your spine. And then lift the heel. Lower the knee down. Right foot comes back. Left foot comes forward. Let's try that on this side. When you're ready, hands either to the thigh or overhead right away. Feel the stretch through your right hip flexor. And again, when you're ready, tuck the back toes under, lift the knee. So left knee bent 90 degrees or close to that. Left hip bone points are lifting upward. And then exhale, hands to the floor. And spin the right heel to the floor. Keep the left knee bending nice and deep. And work that back leg so it's like you're giving yourself a nice big hug with your lower legs. And your upper inner thighs are widening the sitting bones by moving back and apart, wrapping right hip forward, left hip back. And then bring the knee down to the floor again. Left leg comes back to meet the right. And from here, let's come to standing Tadasana. Let's try Warrior One. How about it? Step your left leg back, so this is where you might need a chair again. And then spin the left heel down to the floor. Inhale, arms overhead. Gaze is straight ahead. Feel strong, feel powerful. And then draw right into the center of your pelvis. And step the left leg forward and right leg back. So you can bring your arms down in between. Step the right leg back. Spin the right heel down. Left knee bending close to 90 as you can get it. Hips are pointing forward in this position. Then you can add the arms. For more modifications for the Sun Salutation B series, check out day 12 of our 30 Days of Meaningful Connections series, Surya Namaskar B. Utkatasana. Inhale your arms up, bend your knees. Exhale, bow. Inhale, extend your spine halfway up. On your exhale, Uttanasana, bow in. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Option now to go into up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step your right foot right between your hands and come into warrior one. So spin your left heel down, right knee bent 90 degrees or somewhere like that. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, hands down. Step back. We're not doing vinyasa in between unless you want to. Step the left leg forward. Spin the right heel down. And in your own time, coming up. Exhale down. Inhale, plank. Option for down dog or exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. So just for those of you who are used to doing the vinyasa in between the warrior ones on either side, I teach it the other way around because if you do have any low back issues, then it can be very painful because your back is just a little bit off in between the two warrior ones until you've done both sides. If you have a healthy spine, it doesn't even affect you. And then look in between your hands, walk or jump. And nice bend in the knees. Inhale, sweep your arms up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's come down to a prone position, Advasana, reverse corpse pose. So you lie down on your bellies, hands underneath forehead, breathing deeply and slowly in and out through your nose. Let the earth support you here. From here, roll onto your backs for Shavasana, and then you may stay there as long as you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.